weekend is always the most delightful time we spend with our family. It's also the joyful moment for kids. But what if your car encounters a sudden breakdown? Is your family day going to be ruined? Fret not. You can just dial CNY Tyre eMobile 011-1216-8992. Our proficient technicians are going to repair and service your car right at your doorstep. CNY's truck is well equipped with car services facilities. Thus, we're able to change engine oil, brake oil, and tires for your car immediately. CNY eMobile 011-1216-8992. Let you enjoy professional car service and maintenance without having to step out from your house. You can now enjoy a happy weekend with your family. Hurry up! Dial eMobile 011-1216-8992 now for exclusive offer.